Hi lovely ones, it's Anthony and welcome to the Witch's Moon unboxing for November 2019. And I'm really looking forward to what is in here. And let's get going. My treasures from the beautiful souls at the Witch's Moon. Just that noise, that ASMR. It always feels so nice. It sounds so lovely. Oh, Moldavite and the shamanic roots of witchcraft. Damn. Gosh, this artwork, I tell you, I'm so in awe. And as you know, both when I talk about my Witch's Moon every month, I say how I have a massive built Book of Shadows for all of this artwork. We have even more. Quest on the Sunless Sea, a journey to the other world. Oh my gosh. Holy crap, we are so spoiled. All right, let's see what Oracle card. I always love seeing what Oracle card we have because it seems to be very uncanny. Earth. Physical body, grounding, nurture, and cultivate. So, what is awesome about this and where the connection every month, like if you've been watching these, every month the Oracle cards have an uncanny fucking connection to my craft. So, this month in the Awakened Soul Coven that I run, we have been working with the goddess Demeter and our witch's workshop was earth magic. So it's really cool that we have earth here and we learnt all about physical body, grounding and centering was our exercise for the Maiden Circle this month, and cultivation. So another connection to my craft. So I very much love that. And this is by, this is Jim, I can't remember his surname. The Endangered, I have that Oracle deck, basically is what I'm trying to say. More ASMR. Those of you who do not like ASMR are like, all right, Anthony, you've had enough. Enough now. Ooh, Healer of the Forest, Sacred Salt Kit. So I'm just going to quickly go through this and then I'm going to go through it again because it looks like there's more than one pouch or something in it. Oh, I think it's a bag. It's a bag. So you can like, a bag so you can put it in a bath. We have tea. I saw the tea bag, so we must have tea. Herbs of 8, ritual herbal tea. Lovely. We have some delightful herbs for my apothecary. We have got all these wild Okay, I'm going to have to... The cursive, while is beautiful, really fucks up with my... That's a root. Wild... These are roots. So I'll have to look at what these are. But 3 herbs. Boop, boop, be-doop. Boop, boop, be-doop. Pop. Okay. Ooh, highest realm oil. Fucking love the oils. Oh. That is so heavenly. What do I smell in here? Again, my nose, I said this on the Witch's Bounty one. And I'm wearing my Witch's Bounty. Spoiler alert! That my son and I, like he's had that kid cold that has been going around at all schools. So in his kindy, the weather changes, right? And in Vancouver, it literally went from like, it just got cold really quickly. So everyone's been down with the sniffles. So I've been had the sniffles on, not bad, just like the sniffles on and off for like a month. And then we have a beautiful brown candle. So we're going to have a look at what spell that is. Yeah, it's been one of those like germ-ridden... Ooh, what have we got in here? We have a beautiful box. Look at that with a gorgeous sigil. What is in here? I'm so excited. Wow. There's more. Wow. Look at that. Oi, 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 oi. Holy shit, she's beautiful. Is that amethyst? Sorry. Hold that up, Anthony, you ding dong. That is amethyst. Oh my gosh. Oh. Also happens to be helpful if you need to stab somebody. Look at that. Oh my gosh, she's going straight on. Dead. Dying. Rock up to Dominic's school wearing all this witchcraft paraphernalia. Oh, so beautiful. So pretty. Okay, what else have we got? Oh, that feels so nice. It feels so good. Like when you know when you put on some jewelry and it just feels bloody lovely. Like this feels bloody lovely. That's so good. Now I've got John Mellencamp in my head for some reason. When I'm just ASMRing another little... Ooh. Oh, it's a Moldavite. So the Moldavite has... So this is a piece of Moldavite. That's so cool that they put it in there. Are you supposed to open it or keep it closed? I don't know what you're supposed to do. I don't know, Anthony. How about you like read what's in the thing instead of like assuming stuff? Sure, sounds like a great idea. Tell I'm a fucking Gemini guy. You know, talking to this yourself. I'm just gonna take this off so I can hold it up again, even though I really don't want to because it is stunning. Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. I feel like I want to use this on my altar. Oh, and it's got runes in it too. Do you see the runes right there? It's looking at my face. Ignore my face. Look at that. I really want to use this. I'm not sure if I'd wear this or if I'd actually use this in my craft. The possibilities. It's absolutely stunning. Okay, so this box is the Witch's Journey. The truest pursuit of our craft is to connect and to retrieve knowledge from higher realms while maintaining the roots that feed into the great soil of the earth. Naturally shed etched antler with amethyst pendant. The antler that has been used in this creation was naturally shed from a stag and respectfully collected over the course of almost 2 years. I have one other antler and it's all been respectively. I want more. And I want them to be shed naturally, right? Or if the person is a hunter, I want them to like use the whole animal. I have no problem with people hunting, as long as it's not disgusting, like I'm just going to kill something because I can, and more like I'm going to eat everything and use everything on the being. It's kind of how we survived as a species. The process by which antlers are shed happens seasonally. Related to other magical uses of natural tools, the antler holds within it the spirit of nature as well as gentle yet primitive spirit of the animal once came from. Oh my gosh. I'm not going to read. There's a heap in here. The amethyst stone has been capped to this antler pendant to bring spiritual power and conviction to your workings. And then included with this pendant is a braided cord made from synthetic leather. We have also placed this piece within a box that has been adorned with the hand-painted rune of Ingwaz. So we've got 2 runes now. Hopefully they're going to do all of them. So then we have the Moldavite. Where did we go? My Moldavite within a floating frame. Oh, look at that. Ooh. That's such a funny thing, aren't I? We are truly thrilled to be able to include a piece of Moldavite within this meaningful collection. Moldavite is considered to be a member of the Tektite family and was formed from a large meteorite that collided in the Czech Republic almost 14.9 million years ago. This specimen was sourced from a very reputable supplier in the industry, known for some offering of the finest Moldavite jewelry. Moldavite has a really interesting energy too in the Aura Soma, practice, which obviously I don't know if this is the first time you're watching this, I'm an Aura Soma consultant. I trained many years ago to do my Aura Soma consultancy. It's a stone of spiritual breakthrough, facilitates journey to other realms and altered states of consciousness and intense vibration, and emanates powerful frequencies to allow for immediate connection to greater cosmic consciousness while aiding spiritual emotional guidance. Yeah, this is a really good note. If you're new to Moldavite, we recommend taking your time with it, as the stone has very variable effects. I have had a very interesting relationship with Moldavite. I'm probably not going to have this in my room. Let's just put it that way. It'll probably stay out in one of my altars out here because, so I have had a very interesting experiences with Moldavite. The first time I held Moldavite was actually at my Aura Soma training, and it took me out of my body very bloody quickly. It probably probably amplified by, let's use those words, by the fact that I do a lot of energy work and have had my clairs open since I was a child. So I know for a fact that this is very good for accessing different planes of existence, star children, moon, working with Atlantean, if you believe in that. There's even Moldavite, as in regards to the planet of Moldavite and the people of Moldavite. So yeah, it's a very potent stone. So she's going to go up there. She's not going into my room. Let's put it that way. Moldavite magical correspondences. So this is the beautiful artwork that we have been given for the Moldavite. As always, the beautiful A.E. Alden. So, Element Storm. Yep. That's absolutely correct. Baba Yaga. Oof. So cool. And it has Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. So those very deep kind of lots of shadow work kind of stone. And I have to admit, it's not like the first thing I would go pick up. Probably there's some stuff in there for me on that, but it's just really, yeah. So we have, where did my candle go? Oh, here. There's witchy stuff all over my desk, which is pretty much hashtag normal day for my life. We have the hand-rolled quest on the Sunless Sea spell candle. Oh, and this is what this is. The candle, the spell with incantation. The incantation accompanies this spell candle for your Book of Shadows, written by G. Ibis and artwork by the wonderful A.E. Alden. Before you begin, be sure to create the energy that surrounds you. This can include cleansing, creating circles, setting the tone. Yeah, so you want to make sure, I mean, this is like really good Witchcraft 101 stuff. Like, make sure you know what you're invoking. Make sure you have yourself comfortable. Make sure, you know, you're protected as however you choose to protect yourself before kind of doing any incantations. Highest realm magical oil. One of my favorite parts of these boxes are always the oils. This one, intention of pushing you into your higher realms of thought while working through rituals, astral travel, meditation, and dream work. We have pine, cedar, other stuff. I'm not going to tell everyone the thing. Motherwort, and their astral travel and meditation magical oils. So there's always like this additional special oil that you can't get a hold of that they add inside. Healer of the Forest Sacred Salt Kit. There's so much good stuff in this. So tell you what, fuck. This Healer of the Forest Sacred Soul Kit was created with the intention of bringing natural healing to your physical, spiritual, emotional, energetic field. It is for external uses only. Has amazing cedar, sandalwood, lavender, chamomile, and almond oil. Ooh, and white oak. Damn. Also has white light magical oil inside it. Ooh. Hello, my pretty. Now I just have to find a bath. I want to open it, but I'm not going to. That is delicious. Vision Quest Ritual Incense Sticks. Oh yeah, where are my incense sticks? Oh, they're down here. I nearly lost my incense sticks. Good thing I'm reading through this. Oh, they smell so... Oh man, they smell really good. Yum yum. Yeah, they're gorgeous. Then we have the Herbs of 8 Ritual Tea and Muslin bag. This is to help you with your pre-ritual practices, which has 8 herbs. It's a mild ritual tea. So basically it's to help you get into, it's like a pre-ritual tea ritual to get you into the state and to bring your energies into alignment. We have got wild endive root, dandelion root. We have gag root. Is there more in here that gag root or lobelia. Oh man, it just fell on the floor. And we have grandilia or passion flower. That's a passion flower. Those are our beautiful herbs and roots for our apothecaries. And then we have the Shamanic Roots of Witchcraft Book of Shadows artwork with a lot of information. Oh yes, it's quite stunning. This will do. I love this, you know, those earth, sky, although earth, air, fire, water, beautiful, the elementals there. Chip Richards is the one, The Secret Language of Animals, which is this earth one, which was like bubble wrap, which is scarily accurate to my craft this month, as always. And then some parchment paper, which is a beautiful piece of parchment paper. Well, I say it every month, but honestly, they knock it out of the ballpark every single time. This is just... I've done, you know, it's like it's a lot of witches go through, depending on what, I'm very much a seeker. I feel like a lot of us as witches go through a number of different forms of magic and forms of initiation, and whether this is conscious and sought out or not. For myself, I've been on this path for a very long time, so I've done everything from psychic development courses to my first 2 levels of Reiki to my Orosoma, shamanic, South American shamanistic training, my traditional Wicca training. So there's a lot of stuff that I've, you know, done. Tarot training, obviously. So I've felt very aligned to learning a lot of things, and this is just stunning. It may go in my... I have a wall altar with all my shamanic tools on it, and it might be going in there, I think. It's quite exquisite. I can't keep my eyes off it. It's absolutely beautiful, this collection. I love it, love it, love it. What a beautiful way to help us end out the year with honouring a lot of the roots of witchcraft, which come from shamanic practices all over the world. I will pop a link in the description box below as to where you can support the Witch's Moon. They have an incredible marketplace. Their books of shadows are just... They have like creative ones. They've got statues and all sorts of beautiful things. And as always, thank you so much for watching.